how to find posts from people I follow, notifications, settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find posts from people I follow, notifications, settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and now just click posts from people I follow. You can turn it off or on or anything you want. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.